First, almost everyone uses AI to write content in 2025, and it is great for generating ideas and writing content quickly, but it can sometimes sound robotic, and there are many AI detection tools which can easily detect AI content. So how do you make AI content authentic, engaging and human-like? Well, keep watching the video, and today I will show you all a game-changing tool that can help you to humanize AI content in minutes. Not only this, you can also get AI content detection reports from top AI detectors at one place, so you need not to visit different AI detectors. Hey folks, Maswakil from Originality.ai back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to humanize AI content to bypass AI detection softwares in 2025. And to humanize AI content, we will be using BypassAI. BypassAI can make your AI text 100% undetectable. It is best and trusted AI detection remover to create plagiarism-free and human-like text. It can bypass AI detectors effortlessly that can be used by anyone. So let's get started to know how to use BypassAI to humanize AI content and bypass AI detection tools. First, here I have generated a blog post on how social media helps youth using ChatGPT. See, this looks so authentic and well written, but when we check for AI score using different AI detection tools, it shows 100% AI content. So we can't use this content on any blog or website. Now let's know how to humanize ChatGPT generated content using BypassAI, and for that, here we are back on BypassAI. Now to get started, click start for free. Here we can sign up for BypassAI using Google account or any email ID, or if you already have an account, you can simply log in using that. Once we are logged in, we are ready to humanize AI content. But before that, let's check for AI, and for that I have pasted the blog post here and then click detect AI text. BypassAI checks for AI content, and within seconds here we have the results. It shows the input content seems to be AI generated, and here we have AI content detection reports from other top AI detectors. Now let's humanize AI content, and for that simply click on Humanize button. BypassAI starts to humanize AI content and will also check for AI content detection reports from other top AI detection tools. Now here we have the report. It shows the output content seems to be human written. Also it shows human written reports from other AI detectors as well. Let's check ourselves, and for first, let's try originality.ai. Simply paste the content and then click scan. Originality.ai starts to check for AI content, and within seconds here we have the report. Amazing. Now let's check with GPT-0. Paste humanize AI content here and then click scan. It starts scanning, and boom, the AI content detection report shows we are highly confident this text is entirely human. Cool. Now let's check with copy leaks. Paste content and then click scan. Wow, copy leaks shows no AI content found. 100% human-like content. Amazing work by BypassAI to humanize ChatGPT generated content. That's why I will highly recommend you all to try out BypassAI if you're looking to humanize AI content to bypass even the hardest AI detection tools in 2025. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in the description and pin a comment to try out BypassAI right now. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all the best ways to bypass AI detectors and how to humanize AI content. Now want to know how to rewrite undetectable AI content that can bypass AI detectors?